everybody, welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the Pusher Powerflow intake for your 6.7 Powerstroke. This kit we have right here in front of us is for 1721 6.7 Powerstroke. What this is designed to do is to work with your factory OEM emission system. We have your EGR port right here, we have your throttle valve port right here. So what upgrades are you doing by doing this? Number one, you're going to make the engine bay look 100 times better, because let's be honest, as much as we all love the 6.7 Powerstroke and the power it makes, the performance it does, in the grand scheme of things, the engine bay looks ugly. That's the number one thing in my opinion. Needless to say, the gains you're going to see are generally across the board. We see improving the airflow with this design. We see around a 1 to 2 mile per gallon gain. We see 150 to 250 degree drops in EGTs. So some of you folks coming over from the 6.0 Powerstroke world, you know about the ODOG ported intake that we offer and we push heavily for any 6.0 Powerstroke. This is kind of the same design concept here. Anytime you can improve airflow in your diesel pickup, you hear this all the time on our channels, okay? Anytime you can improve airflow in and out, you're going to increase horsepower, cooler EGTs, and improve fuel mileage, because by increasing airflow, you're increasing atomization of the fuel, which increases the efficiency of the engine. So today we're just kind of show you guys a quick up close and personal view. This one right here is the Pusher Bronze, and isn't that just such a beautiful color right there? This is designed to match or be close to, if you will, the King Ranches. I run this on my King Ranch, the same color, and I love it. It just pops when you pop the hood. It also stands up to the dirt really, really well, that your engine's gonna see going down the highway, all the grime. So a couple key features, obviously, like we talked about. Right here, we have the throttle valve port. So you take your OEM throttle valve and you put it right here, and then we have a new cold side pipe that gets rid of the junk plastic cold side pipe that always blows on us at the most inconvenient time when we're pulling a camper up our mountain to go up to camping spot, okay? Replacing that with this metal pipe that's powder coated as well to match the color of the intake itself is going to prevent that from happening and downing your truck on the side of the highway, while also improving airflow and efficiency. And then from there, we have your EGR port right here, which is bigger than the OEM, which is going to help increase airflow as well. Anytime we can increase airflow is wonderful. This kit is designed to retain the OEM right over here, the OEM dipsticks right here. Here's where your mat sensor goes. And in the kit, you're gonna get this fancy little piece right here that is for your charge air cooler sensor. All of this kit comes pre-packaged, ready to bolt on. It's a super easy job to install, 2 to 3 hours max if you're going slow. It's designed to work with, this is the intake side as well, that I didn't take out. So this goes down into the turbo area, and it's got the oval shape that we have on our factory intakes. This is designed to work with your factory air filter system, or you can add an S&B air filter system to this as well, which is awesome fitting. So give us a call today if you want to talk about the upgrade benefits of adding this Pusher Powerflow intake system to your 6.7 Powerstroke engine. There are plenty of gains, plenty of power gains. You're going to notice increased horsepower, usually about 20-25 horsepower, 1 to 2 mile per gallon gains. That's the big one, let's be honest. The 6.7 Powerstroke is not known for good fuel mileage. So if we can add 1 to 2 miles per gallon, think of how fast you're going to pay off this kit. Plus, if you tow heavy all the time, faster spool up, cooler EGTs. What's to lose there? It's a win-win situation for everybody involved. Give us a call today, 1-800-577-2698. Let's get your kit headed your way. Ask us your tech questions. It is the simplest kit to install in the world. If you can see on the bottom, it's got the bolt holes for the factory. It reuses the factory-owned gaskets right there. And it's a great kit. This has been something that's been needed on the market for a long time. This is going to do that for you while keeping it a no tune required kit, which is incredible. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, check out all of our social media platforms, including TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and of course you're here on YouTube, so be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and a follow, okay? Thank you so much. We look forward to the next tutorial.